I'm making these really delicious nachos, only I'm putting them on sweet potato fries. So they're sweet potato fried nachos. Weren't they delicious?
They were very good.
They were really, really good. And I have a super quick chicken that goes on these nachos. You can do it in your slow cooker. It takes about 3-4 hours. You can do it in your Ninja Foodie pressure cooker. It takes about 20 minutes. You put it over the sweet potato fries with all the accoutrements. It's absolutely delicious, right?
So good.
So good. Let's get started. First things first, I have to roast my sweet potato fries. I'm going to do mine in my Ninja Foodie because they'll be super crispy this way. Today's roasted sweet potato fries that I made in my Ninja Foodie. They're nice and crispy. I'm adding this fabulous chicken roasted with salsa verde in my slow cooker. We're gonna top it with some cheese. You could put this right back under the broiler if you wanted to melt the cheese. Some tomatoes. A little bit of jalapenos. Some pickled shallots. You can use scallions if you want to for an oniony crunch. A little bit of this great chipotle lime crema. Of course, some cilantro. And a squeeze of lime.